And finally, a major factor that impacts me as my specialty is litigation here with the advocates. Oftentimes we're not able to get a case resolved just directly with the insurance company, either because there's a dispute about who's at fault, there's a dispute about the extent of the medical treatment or the medical bills, or we really just don't see eye to eye on the value of the case. And in those situations, oftentimes we have to file a lawsuit and pursue the claim through court. With that, it's important to know that there comes a lot of costs. There comes a lot of extra expenses to the client to be able to pursue their claim through the court system. Those expenses come from filing a claim with the court, with hiring medical experts or liability experts. Sometimes a life care plan and a doctor that can evaluate the future medical treatment as well. All of these experts come with a cost. So the longer or the more complicated that your case is and the further into litigation it has to go, oftentimes the more expensive it gets to continue to pursue it. So it's important to evaluate, is the overall value of your case going to be worth the amount of costs that are going to be paid into litigation? Because the reality is, in many states, those costs are going to be borne by the plaintiff, by the person that was injured. We can't go after and recover those additional costs from the at-fault party, even though it's their fault that we had to pay that anyway. So that's going to factor into the overall value of your claim as well. So as you can see, there's a lot of factors that go into evaluating your claim. And for somebody who's not familiar with the legal system and the personal injury field, it's going to be really overwhelming, really complicated to figure out what your case is worth. While I might not be able to tell everyone that there's a magic formula to be able to calculate the value of your claim, when you come to the advocates, this is what we specialize in. These are the things that we do, and once we're able to sit down and look at the specific factors of your case, we can give you a pretty good estimate of what your case should resolve for. And then we will dig our feet into the ground and hold the insurance company liable to make sure that they give us an offer, or we hold them responsible through the court system to get you to that evaluation.